Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be vlogging of me preparing for my EAS exam. For those who don't know what EAS is, it means educating all students. So today is Friday, March 20th at 6:11 a.m. So my exam is at 11 a.m. So I do have some time to get ready for my exam. But I'm gonna make up my bed first, then I'm gonna go shower, and then I'm gonna eat because I want to make sure that I have enough energy to take my exam today. Actually, no. The first thing I'm gonna do is pack my purse because I need to make sure that I have my wallet because I need a ID verification. Wallet, my pouch, umbrella, some hand sanitizer, a pencil and some pens. Alright guys, so for my outfit for the exam, I decided to wear these green cargo pants and this white sweater because when I took the teacher assistant exam, it was cold in the testing room, so I just want to be comfortable. So here is the outfit in its entirety. As you guys can see, the sneakers match well with the outfit. So I'm back from taking my shower and getting dressed. Now I'm going to eat breakfast. So for breakfast, I'm going to eat some rice and peas, some breads with some sauce, and some macaroni cheese. I actually ordered from a restaurant last night, so this is gonna be leftovers. So I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, and I also got some cinnamon sticks. So yeah. So this is what the food looks like. So I'm gonna take out the ribs that I actually ate last night. As you guys can see, I had put them back in a box. I honestly don't know why, but I'm gonna take them out now. So it's 1, 2, 3, and yeah, that should be good. And I'm gonna put it in the garbage. So the thing is that I want to drink something so bad, but I don't want to drink anything because I don't want to have to keep using the bathroom throughout the exam. So I think it's best for me not to drink anything this morning and just eat. So I actually made it to my testing site location. So I am at Hunter College. So for those who don't know, I actually graduated from Hunter College in 2023. So I'm back here, guys. So right now it's after 9:30, and once again my exam is at 11 o'clock. So I have about an hour or so to just relax and not stress. So yeah, I'm gonna just relax and don't think too much about the exam. So I'm gonna see you guys after the exam is finished. And make sure you guys wish me good luck down in the comments below. But with that said, see you guys later. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour since I finished taking my exam. And I must say that I tried my best, guys. I honestly tried my best, but with one of the readings, I actually didn't get to read it to its entirety, so I had to guess on a few questions. But I'm just hoping that I pass my exam on the first attempt. But yeah, I'll know my results in like about 2 weeks or so. So I'll definitely make sure to update you guys when I pass or fail, and yeah, I'll take it from there. But I must say that I wish there were shorter reading passages, because I feel like if it was shorter reading passages, I feel like I would have had more time to answer the questions. Also, some questions were so long and not straightforward, so I had to reread a lot of questions.
We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady who's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight.